Hello guys, we have a video of unboxing this product. It's called fnirsi or whatever you call it. I don't know how to spell it. It's a large screen digital display smart multimeter, and let's see what we have. Yeah, I unboxed it before. Sorry. Well, I had to do it because you know, see if everything is okay. Well, it's AC/DC voltage resistant capacitance, connectivity test, and CV live mode illumination, data hold, 0 and firewire test, true RMS automatic shutdown. Well, when I was trying to buy it, the seller offered me some other brands like Victor or Anang, and the other Chinese brands. But this one has a better quality in plastic around, and it has a colorful display, and it has a charging port up here, and has better features. And let's open it and see what we got here. We have a manual here, we don't need it at all. This is the product, and we have a power button up here and type C, and we have flashlight back here, and these are the props connectors. And when I want to open it up, there it is. Well, we have a select button, live and CV, and hold for flashlight. Okay, it has auto mode and DC. I told you before. Well, we have these props. The props have good quality, and actually it's acceptable, but look at this. We have sharp tips here. You can work on SMDs very easily, and let's just put it back. Okay, and other things here, we have these props for actually it's for measurement of the temperature. Yeah, it has a temperature option here. Look at it. There it is. You just connect it here and use it. Well, and there it is, the Type-C charging cable, and nothing else. Simple to use. I like it. Bye bye.